Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. And for today's recording, we are working on a hit called Detect Bad Writing, Spelling, Grammar, Punctuation, and Query English. This should be really easy if you are a native speaker of the English language or if you are able to read and write. Okay, so this one should be really easy. So let's work on this one. It's the qualification mode. So Salem, which trial? We can do this. You can go to Google. Salem witch trials were a series of hearing and pros- prosecutions of people accused of witchcraft. I think this is a good writing, so let's submit it. Ah, it's a bad writing, which contains extra H. Ah, yeah, which. Okay. Clint Eastwood, that's bad writing. This Eastwood should be, the letter E here should be capitalized. Yeah, we got it right. Tours of Tokyo. Let me open something here. Grammarly. This might be helpful. Let's copy that and paste it here. Check. Nice work. No, we don't need that. Tours of Tokyo. I think it is a good writing. Let's see. Bad right. Tour is not possessive or a contraction and should not have apostrophe. Yeah, that's right. Miss McMahon. That's a good writing. Trampoline for sale. That's good writing for me. State College PA. That's good writing. Remember, if they are to abbreviate an address, if they are to abbreviate a state on a particular place, like this one, it has to be capitalized. So this is a good writing. Bellingham, Washington weather, that's good writing for me. NFL MVP, that's good writing as well. Top 10 dog breeds, that's good writing for me. Freddie Prinze Jr., that's bad writing. This is a name. So F, P, and JR should be capitalized. And Junior should have like a period right after it. So that's bad writing for me. How to find my phone, that's good writing. Ford Taurus, that's bad writing. It should not have a period after Ford. That's bad writing. This is Sherlock Holmes, not Sherlock Holmes. Worst nightmare, that's bad writing. It lacks the letter E. Nightmare should be spelled as Nightmar and the letter E for echo. Yep, we got it. Gone too soon, that's good writing. Why? Two is missing an O. What? Ah, yeah, I overlooked that. New Orleans tour attractions. Um, this quote here should not be there, and there should be an apostrophe light right next to the letter N or between the N and the letter S. So that's bad writing. Gary Python and Sean Kemp. That's good writing for me. Russell Wilson and Tiara. That's good writing. Why? Unnecessary period. Okay, let's agree to it. I'm not sure if we can pass this. What do CIA agents do? That's good writing for me. What? CIA. Okay, see, if it is an organization, it has to be capitalized. And if it is abbreviated, top scary movies ever. That's good writing for me. What scary should be scariest? Top scariest movie. Okay, Map of NYC subways. That's good writing for me. Mm-hmm. Man cutting tree down. That's bad writing. It should be man cutting down tree. Porkinolos. Uh, I'm not sure about this. This is foreign language. What does the guideline say about foreign language? If the query is a foreign language word or phrase that is commonly used in this language, treat it as a normal query using the guidelines above to judge. Example, cherry pie a la mode. If the query is a foreign language word or phrase that is commonly used in this language, like cannot judge. Um, let's say good writing. Yeah. Ways to sleep best. Ways to best sleep. So that's a bad writing. Barack Obama standing on stage. That's good writing for me. You failed the qualification test this time. Yeah, we made a lot of mistakes on there. Let's give it another shot. Oh, I pulled up something else. Let me go back to UHRS Marketplace and qualify again. Where where George Clooney from? That's bad writing. It's uh, grammatically incorrect. What's up, Buttercup? What is up, Buttercup? That's I think that's good writing. Yeah. EU vote 2020. EU should be capitalized, so both E and the letter U here should be capitalized. So this is bad writing. Jonathan Taylor Thomas. That's a good writing. See, Laurel and Hardy. That's a good writing for me. Hmm. By the way, while waiting for that to load, we have a Facebook group. It's called ClickWorker Philippines. You just have to subscribe to our channel in YouTube and answer the relevant membership questions for us to welcome you there. So this one is the letter N, according to the judgment or according to the high level reason, should be lowercase. Wrong casing. Okay, let's agree to that. Seattle Mariners. Is there something like? I think it's Seattle Marines. Let's consider that as good writing. NHL should be capitalized, so that's bad writing. Mexican food, that's hold on a sec. Uh, Capitalize the first letter of the first word. A cup of milk. A cup of milk. Um, the query contains enemy spelled. I think this one is bad writing. It has to be. This one is bad writing as well. It's there's a necessary exclamation point right after the word switch. Denada. That's good writing, I guess. Mario and Luigi. This is good writing. Washington State apples. Bad writing. This one should not be here. It's a hyphen. Konnichiwa. That's good writing, I guess. That's foreign language. Paris. That's good writing. Buenos noches. Good writing as well. Pete Carroll. I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. All right. I think it was written or grammatically or written correctly. Capital of UK. That's bad writing. UK should be capitalized. Mrs. Doubtfire funniest moments. Mrs. Doubtfire's funniest. This is bad writing. It's good. Proper punct. Okay, let's agree to that. We got how many errors? Three or two? FBI most wanted. That's good writing for me. Spiciest foods. That's bad writing. Robin Williams and Sally Fields. That's good writing. Multiplayer games for old people. Bad writing. There should be no comma right there. LeBron James. That's good writing. Voila, good writing as well. There are no available hits. It could be that all hits are leased out. Please try again. Let's see if we pass the qualification. Sometimes it doesn't show if we pass it. So let's just wait for the marketplace to load. Again, guys, our Facebook group is open to everyone. Just just subscribe to our YouTube channel and answer the relevant questions in Facebook. There will be questions for you to answer before we can welcome you. Well, yeah, unfortunately, we're not able to push through with that qualification, but I hope you guys have an idea on how to work on such a particular hit, just in case you encounter them or you encounter this in your marketplace. Thank you all for watching. I hope again you learned something from this video. Have a good day. Bye for now.